Today I'm going to talk about some reasons why students may have done poorly on an assessment in your class. We use assessment as a tool to find out what our students have learned and what they haven't learned. So assessments provide us with information about how our class is going in terms of our progress toward our student learning outcomes. Sometimes students don't do as well as we hope maybe they would do. Now, a couple of the reasons they may not have done as well may be on us. And if they are, we got to figure that out and we've got to fix it. The two things that might be on us is first, maybe the assessment wasn't fair. Maybe the assessment asked students to demonstrate knowledge they actually didn't learn in our class. Maybe the assessment was pitched at the wrong level. Maybe we taught the information at a really low level, but then tested it at a really high level. Now, ideally, this is something we're going to figure out before we actually give the assessment to our students, but sometimes that data coming back from the students is the signal to us that we've got to rethink that assessment. And in that case, we might have to do some sort of makeup assessment or something else to be fair to our students. The second reason students may not have done well on an assessment that's on us is maybe we actually didn't teach that information. Sometimes, unfortunately, when we're doing an assessment, we're optimistic about what we should have taught, maybe what we could have taught, but not what we actually did teach. And in that case, again, we've got to do something to do right by our students. Now, if it's going to be on us, it's going to be fairly easy to tell because there's going to be a pattern where our students overall, the entire cohort, are giving us some information back in that assessment that maybe, just maybe, something was off.